Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants. Where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell, and what ends up happening is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You will see in your inbox the picture and the title of the video, and when you press on the picture, it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. It's something I use and I enjoy, and I always want to make sure that you guys know about it as well, because I do upload a lot and sometimes my videos are time sensitive. So this way, if you subscribe and hit that bell, you will be in the know. All right? Okay. Today, we are going to be going through the IPSY Glam Bag. This is where I tell everybody to start if you are new to subscription boxes. I really, truly believe that the IPSY $12 bag that includes free shipping is one of the best deals. The reason being is it's supposed to be simply 5 deluxe size samples, but they seem to either put full-size brushes in here or full-size products besides the deluxe sample sizes. But you also get a cosmetic bag in this for free, which is not included in the 5 count. But what I love about the IPSY, and if you want to get into the IPSY family, for $12 a month, you get all of that, plus you get access to their point system, which means if you do reviews, you get points, and points equals free products. And it also enables you to use what they call the shopper. And the shopper for me is the place that always has these fantastic deals. And every single day at 9 a.m., if you go into the shopper, they have a new deal. So you get to see something and enjoy. They also have mystery bags in there and things like that. So by getting this $12 bag, you get access to everything else IPSY. And to me, and the add-ons and things like that, it is really, truly, to me, the best $12 that you could put towards if you're interested in subscription bags, because it opens you up to a whole new world at IPSY, just for the $12. Plus, you get everything else that we're going to talk about today. All right. This here is the bag that we got in this month's box. Actually, it's a glam bag. This is the bag. I also get on my channel the Plus, which is equivalent to the BoxyCharm base box, which is 5 full-size items for $25, and then the Ultimate, which is 8 full-size with 4 deluxe samples, where they mix what you would get in a Plus as well as in a bag. So I get all 3 on this channel, and you'll see all 3 on this channel. But what I love is each one of them comes with a bag, and they're using the same material and the same theme throughout all 3 bags. But the key with this one is that this is supposed to be the smallest bag. So this is really still a really nice size bag. And as you see here, the cute little toggle has an airplane on it, and I think it's really, really fantastic. And this simply says escape. And it's that jelly type of material, which is really fantastic to travel with because you can wipe it down. So really, really happy. And like I said, that product, every IPSY bag or box comes with a cosmetic bag. They're just different sizes. We did get a card, but once again, the information in the card has nothing to do with the products that are in. So I sat down on my computer, got everything printed out based on my sneak peeks that I share with you guys on the 2nd of every month. All right, so let's go through what I got, and then I'll show you the one item that I was able to customize. You could also customize one item in every one of the boxes, including the $12 bag. That's why I think this bag is an absolute steal. All right, so I'm going to go in the order of everything that's written down here, and then we'll take it from there. Okay? All right, here we go. All right, the first item that I got in that they chose for me is from this brand called Naked Cosmetics. And I do have a couple of items like this. I have the Naked Cosmetics in the solid, but I also have it in this powdered form, this loose powder. And the pigments in the loose powder, I think, are fantastic. And if you go back a couple of years, Bare Minerals was one of the brands that I almost had every color in a loose powder because you need so little and they really, truly, truly last. But the pigmentation is just beautiful. So what they wrote here, this is called the Natural Nude 03. And that's the color that I got here. And what they're saying is that in case you had any doubts, this is an all-natural, pro-quality loose pigment. It's proof that healthy cosmetics are just as effective and gorgeous as the conventional ones. Shimmery rose gold is the eyeshadow your makeup bag needs this July. Pack it on your lips for an intense hint of color or sheer it out for a supple wash instead. This has high color payoff. The pressed pigment texture goes on opaque with just one finger. It says no bad stuff here. This is good for you formula. It's magic without talc, mineral oils, waxes, or fillers. They're saying this is the full size and it's $14.99. They're saying about the brand, they're saying known for their popping mica pigments and high quality formulas, Naked Cosmetics is beloved by spas, studios, makeup professionals everywhere. Each product is made from pure natural ingredients. Sounds very similar to Bare Minerals. They're saying how to use it. If you want serious color payoff, apply the pressed pigment to your lids using just your fingers. If you want to sheer it out, sweep it on using your favorite damp eyeshadow brush instead. Those are both great tips. This I usually use a tip of my finger, but look how pretty this color is. And then I usually simply take what's on the lid here, which is very, very little, but you'll see what I mean by pressed pigment. This is how much just came off that little bit that was on the lid, and I'm gonna put it on my finger here, and you're gonna see that the color payoff is just beautiful. Isn't that stunning? Really, really pretty. So really, I'm telling you, you just have to be a little more careful because it is a loose pigment, but the color payoff that you get is just stunning. So pretty. So happy to get this. And this type of color I think is gorgeous. So really happy that was in my box. And the whole bag is $12, including the bag, and this is a $14.99 first product. Okay, the next item in here is a sample size, and this said is from Cleansing Cream. This is, they have here, sorry, they're also giving on here on what I printed, and I didn't see this before ever on the card, so I'm just going to read to you. On the naked skin, I'm going to add these into the description box down below. I put a lot of information in the description box down below. If there's discounts or anything like that that are given to us, I put that in the description box down below. And then further on, if any of the bags or the boxes you have any interest in, and I have some links to, those are on the bottom of the description box as well. So if you're going to do that, press that link and it'll bring you where you need to go. All right, so this item here, and if there's any points or commissions, I haven't received anything since I started the channel, but if there is anything, just I will definitely keep you guys posted. But please, if there are links there, you should try to use them. Okay, this one here says it has a promo code IPSY30 to receive 30% on your order and when you shop the Naked Cosmetics. The next item here is from Skin Regime, and this one says it has a promo code called Plant Chemistry to receive 20% discount on your order. Of course, they all say, you know, exclusions apply. It says, why we'll love it. The team at IPSY's #1 requirement when it comes to the perfect face wash, it should never leave your skin feeling tight or dry. That's why we love the Nourishing Hydrating Cream, cleansing cream from this company here. They're saying, they're saying here it's made with SPF to build up pollution problems, no problem. This cleanser gets rid of it all. It is a gentle cream formula that works its magic without stripping your skin or depleting its moisture levels, making it safe for all skin types. They're saying about this brand, it is a new skincare brand for urban dwellers who want to look and feel at their very best. It's for those who thrive in today's fast-paced times, yet want to keep their skin healthy, glowing for the long haul. They're saying to use it both morning and night. You can massage this cleanser onto your skin using cool or lukewarm water to dissolve your makeup, the debris, or any excess oil. So let's see what she's all about. There's a safety seal. Wish me luck. Oh, we did good. Okay, here we go. It just smells clean to me. That's what the product looks like there. And that's what I don't know if I put that up front there. That's what it looks like there. And it's just a very moisturizing cleanser. That's what it looks like there. All right. The next item that we got is from the Balm. No, sorry. The next item we got, I also got something from the Balm, but the next item that's on the page came in the cutest container I have ever seen. This is so adorable. So this one here says, It is called the Fresh Herb Hand Cream, and the company name is ARIUL. It says, from hand washing to moisturizing, zapping, air conditioning, the skin on your hands can lose moisture even in the summertime. We're loving the lightweight yet majorly hydrating hand cream to nix dryness in a snap. It's made with keratin, the stuff that keeps your hair and nails strong. To help strengthen your skin as well as your nails, this is truly a win-win. The texture is light and airy and feels so fresh on your skin, it doesn't feel the least bit greasy. The scent is delightful, just like a bundle of fresh herbs, and we get so many compliments whenever we wear it. They're saying the full size of this is $3.49. About the brand, they're saying life can be stressful, and ARIUL gets it. The products work to cleanse, detox, and help relieve stress by harnessing the power of natural ingredients of fruits and vegetables that your skin needs to feel its best. Unbelievable. How to use it. Massage a dime-sized amount of this hand cream all over your hands and onto your cuticles whenever you need a moisture boost. So let's see. Let me wipe off the cleanser that we just had, which took off the eye product that we just put on. I'm just going to wipe it down, and let's put on this hand cream and see what it smells like. This is so, the packaging, oh, it's another safety seal. Oh, we did good. Okay, here we go. I can't get over the packaging. This looks like so like those higher ends, you know, that we get from Tony Moly and things like that. Really, really pretty. Oh, it is. Oh, it doesn't have that. I was expecting it to be like, you know, when you go into a spa, that green type of scent. This is just, it's just fresh. It's like a fresh, not florally. It's just, oh, I am not doing this justice. This is truly, truly, really, really pretty. Oh, this is really nice. It is not overpowering. It's a softer scent, but not powdery in any which way. Just like really fresh, really, really pretty. Wow. Okay. The next one is from the Balm. It is the Causemetics. It came with this little guy here. Took me a while to push him through. So I have it already out of the package to show you. And this one here is called Willpower, and it is a blush in Perseverance. They have a promo code on this also, Girl Power, to receive 20% off the Auto Balm palettes on your order. Exclusions, of course, apply. And then they say, reach for this skin brightening blush on tired mornings. It is a few sweeps wake up your complexion for faster than a shot of espresso. The most unpowdery powder ever. We think so. It is a trio of plant-based oils, which gives this formula the ULTA silky blendable feel that's similar to that of a cream. Only good for you ingredients are here. This is an all-natural blush. It's made without talc, synthetic binders, parabens, and all of that. So not only is this vintage style packaging super cute, it's made with a magnetic-free closure that is 100% recyclable too. Okay, they're saying about this brand, it's saying the Balm Cosmetics has a beautiful in 5-minute philosophy. They offer quick fixes for all your beauty wants and needs, and their wearable colors are juicy formulas that will help you feel your inner artist. They're saying how to use this. Just grab a fluffy blush to sweep the powder on the apples of your cheeks or anywhere you want to give your skin that rosy flush. So let's see what this color looks like. Oh, it's beautiful. That's the color there. This would have been perfect to put on today. And then let's just do a good swatch of this. And when you get these sample sizes, they are fantastic to travel with because it's cardboard, they're lightweight, and they're a great product to keep in your makeup bag, and especially if you're traveling or just going away for the weekend, I think it is just fantastic. I put the cream on. I think I'm okay. Yeah. There we go. Is that not stunning? Stunning. So pretty. Okay, and this one, like I said, is called Willpower, and it is in the color Perseverance. So that's the outside of the package, and that's what it looks like inside there. Really, really pretty. Oh, I am so happy with this bag. And the last item that we got in my box was my pick. And I couldn't believe that this was even an option as a pick. It is a full-size item. It is from the brand called Thrive. and this is a fantastic brand. And what I was able to get was this product here. So let's read about it and then we'll do some swatching. So this one is called the Lip Filler Long Wearing Plumping Lip Liner, and it's in the name GHIRZLAN, GHIZLAN. And it says, we've all seen lip liners, but never one like this. The multitasking pencil primes, lines, defines, and plumps. It's all in one shot. It says this universal flattering plum mauve shade looks very pretty alone or when it's worn with your favorite matching lipstick. The combo of hydrating and plumping ingredients will minimize the appearance of lip lines and give your pout a plush, pillowy effect. Fading and feathering is a thing of the past. This long-wearing waterproof formula keeps color on, locked for flawless all-day wear. Not only is this lip liner high performance, it's also cruelty-free and vegan too. This is a full size, and this is a $20 item in a $12 box. So this is about the brand Thrive, and they call themselves Causemetics, not Cosmetics. Cause, like C-A-U-S-E. It's beauty with a purpose. For every product purchased, they donate to help a woman thrive. They've been changing the world starts with a single ingredient. That's why they created vegan, 100% cruelty-free formulas that contain proven ingredients without the use of parabens or sulfates, and all of their high-performance cosmetics are developed in their Thrive Lab in Los Angeles. They're saying how to use this: just outline the edge of your bare lips using the precision tip and then fill them in with the liner or your go-to plum lip color. So let's see what we got here. So that's what the product looks like here. It is the one that you don't have to sharpen. You just twist on the bottom here, and then it ends up, oh, it's pretty. I'm gonna do it a little bit thicker so you guys can see it, and then I'm gonna do one small one right underneath so you guys can see the difference. So this is as if I would fill in my whole lip, and that's how I would use it if I was to line my lips. So you can really get two different types of products out of this, because if you want your lipstick to last all day and you have a color that's similar, if you fill in your entire lip, then your lips will never look bare. A lot of times if I just line the outside of my lip to make sure that I don't get feathering, if the product that I have underneath wears off or I eat, you'll just see the lip liner at the end of the day, so you'll see the outline. But if you fill in your whole lip, you'll never have that problem. All right, just wanted to share that with you guys. All right, that's everything that we got in our IPSY $12 glam bag for the month of July. I am so excited to be able to share these with you. I think I did great, and I hope you guys do too. This is the Naked Loose Powder in Natural Nude. We got this face cleanser from Skin Regimen. We got this fantastic, beautiful hand cream from a company that is a new brand to me that I'm gonna have to remember the name because I think I'm going to love it. It is called ARIUL, and it's made in Korea, hence the packaging. That's why I thought of Tony Moly. We got the beautiful Thrive full-size $20 lip liner, and then we got this gorgeous, gorgeous blush from the Balm called Willpower in Perseverance. I think we did absolutely, absolutely fantastic. And like I said, all of that plus the bag for $12 is an absolute win. All right. Okay, that's everything for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this because I certainly did. All right. Once again, everybody, I appreciate so much that you take any time out of your day to spend it with me here. It truly means a lot. Please leave in my comments down below if you get the IPSY Glam Bag, and if you've tried any of the products that I have already shown you here, please leave them down below because all of these, except for the loose powder, are new to me. So please leave those comments down below. That helps me and everyone else that reads them in the community here that we have at True Ones. All right? But once again, more importantly, during this time, this is all fun and great, but if we don't have our health, we don't have time to enjoy. So we'll want to make sure that everybody continues to stay safe and stay well, and I'll see you all in my next video. Take care, and bye-bye for now.